Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel and this is my first ever G-Shock. Thin outer cardboard box. This is a more affordable version of the G-Shock. Whoops, there everything came out. Do we have anything else in here? Instructions manual and yeah, module, so on. We won't use that, we're men, most of us. We don't use instructions manuals, do we? Not the tin box. I guess this is because it's more of an affordable or cheaper version. The model version is here. I've never got a G-Shock, but I realized I need a new watch to wear when I work. I work mostly in a gym as a personal trainer, and I need to keep check on time when I'm with my clients. So instead of getting a smartwatch, I got a G-Shock. And here we go. I think this has the new bioresin. Feels quite plasticky. What do we have for dimensions today? Thickness 12.5, 43-ish. Oops. 43-ish. And lug to lug is hard. Let's do this part. About 47. So first impressions, well, it feels okay, feels decent. It's not on the right time zone, I'll have to check that out. And here you have some functions. Now there's not this G-Shock is not the one with the most functions, but all I needed to do is keep time, so it doesn't matter. We do have it's shock resistance, of course. We have a good water resistance. We have stopwatch, LED light. That's bright, way brighter than I anticipated actually. Of course no sapphire crystal. But this piece of glass I would have imagined being plastic. Why I bought this model is because it looks like the original, doesn't it? Slight differences, but this is how a G-Shock should look, according to me. No AR coating. I need to look up if this really is the bioresin. I would have imagined feeling more rubbery. This feels really plasticky. And for the full review, you will get the full list of what this G-Shock can do. Roughly 17 centimeter wrist. I've been changing my workouts up, so my wrists are getting slightly thicker. And this is how it wears on my wrist. That is surprisingly comfortable. It wears a lot smaller than I thought it would. And in a couple of weeks I will get back to you with a quick little review. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, please take care, stay safe, and bye bye.